This is a super quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to crochet the extended double crochet stitch. That's in US terms, it would be a UK extended treble. So here I've got a row of 10 extended doubles. I'm going to refer to these in US terms throughout. And I'm just going to show you how to recreate them. They're a little bit taller than a traditional double crochet because they just have an extra chain in essentially before you start the stitch. So to start, I've chained 3 and I'm not going to count that as a stitch. I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to work my first stitch in here, which is the last stitch of the previous row. So I've yarned over, I'm going to insert the hook under both loops, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through one loop. So that is the extra chain. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2, and that completes the stitch. So it's very much like a traditional double crochet, just with that extra chain. So I'll do a few more just so you can see. So I've yarned over, insert, pull up a hook loop, that's 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 1, I'm still going to have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is really how you make them. Just going to work that across to the end of the row, and then on the next row I'm going to show you how to work an extended double crochet 2 together. So that's essentially a decrease when you're using the extended double crochet. I'm just going to work a couple of typical extended double stitches to get the row started. Okay, so an extended double crochet 2 together is very similar to a typical double crochet 2 together. Oops. I'm going to start over with my yarn over, start with my yarn over, insert into that first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So for a normal extended double, I'd yarn over and pull through 2 to complete it, but I'm going to leave that stitch on the hook and I'm going to move to my next stitch. So in this instance, I'm going to work in these 2 consecutive stitches. In my new pattern, the Mellow Waves cardigan, I work an extended double 2 together and I skip that stitch and work it in those 2. So it's still a 2 together, you're just missing a stitch there. So if you're here because of a link from the crochet cardigan pattern, I'll pop a link to it in the comments, then to create the trough of the V, you're just going to miss that central stitch. I'm going to carry on with a stitch and then I'll show you again. So to make the second part, I'm going to yarn over, insert into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the same as I did with that first bit. It leaves me with 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that's my decrease made. So you can see there, 1 stitch at the top, working into those 2. I'm just going to demonstrate that again so you can see a little bit clearer without me talking through it, or without me going off piste at least. So I'll just do 1 extended double crochet just to close that off. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, moving on to the next stitch, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and then to complete the decrease I'm going to yarn over and pull through 3, and that's really all it is. So hopefully you can see there how the decrease has been made, and I'll just carry on working extended doubles to the end of the row. So you can see how those 2 decreases have shortened that row. Hope you found that helpful.